What's up guys, this is Vargatron. Welcome to the next video in my tips series for TradingCardDB.com. Today's video will be focused on adding a shortcut to your Android device home screen that will take you directly to your trading card database collection. For those who don't know, TradingCardDB.com is a web-based trading card inventory tool for helping you keep track of your collection. I use it all the time to update my collection when I get new cards in the mail or when I'm working on a trade and need to find out which cards I need or already have. It's a great free online tool for inventorying and managing your collection, and I highly recommend it. Unfortunately, a major drawback to the platform is that it does not currently support a mobile app, which means if you want to manage your collection from your mobile phone or your tablet, you'll have to log into the mobile version of the website from your mobile browser. While the mobile version of the website works quite well, it can be a bit cumbersome to navigate, especially if you don't already have some things in place to make it a bit easier. For this video, I'll be using the mobile version of Google Chrome on an Android device. While the basic principles discussed here can be applied to other mobile devices or browsers, the steps to accomplish them may be a little bit different depending on which operating system and which mobile browser you use. iOS devices, for example, only support the Safari browser for creating home screen shortcuts. So using Google Chrome on your iOS device will not be an option. However, if you use Safari, you can still create a home screen shortcut on iOS with similar steps to what I'll show you in this video. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. The first thing we need to do is open up Google Chrome and navigate to the TradingCardDB.com website. And it's just TradingCardDB.com. Now once here, we just need to, I'm going to go ahead and log out of the site so we can do this from scratch. So click on the hamburger menu in the top left corner and click on login and go ahead and type in your username and password. Now I use 1Pass for all my credentials, so I'll just let 1Password type in the credentials for me. If you don't already use a password manager, then just type in your credentials manually. I also recommend that you check the Remember Me checkbox to ensure you don't have to type in your credentials each time. And then just tap Login. And now once we're logged in, we're taken back to the home page. We're going to you can save your password here in Google. I'm not going to do that because I use a password manager, but I would recommend that if you don't have a password manager and you have a lock on your phone, obviously. So I'll select the hamburger menu again, and now you see instead of a login button, I actually have my account listed here. So I'll tap on my account, and then I'll tap on collection. And now once in my collection, you can see I have my main collection, my want list, my for sale trade list, in transit lists. I can make individual shortcuts to each of these. For now, I'll just do the main collection. So I'll click on non-sport in the first row. And then I want to be taken to my collection sorted by set. And so here's my collection. These are all of the sets that I currently have cards collected in. And so it goes through several different pages, all the way down to 2019. 2019 Flair is the latest. So I'm going to go ahead and head back to the first page, and this is actually where I want to create my shortcut. I want to always come into this page when I come into TradingCardDB, because from here what I can do is, for example, let's say I was wanting to find out what cards I still need for 1995 Marvel Masterpieces Emotion Signature Series. You can see I have it here in the middle of the page. If I tap on that, then I can come in here. It shows me a quick summary. I've got 134 out of 150 of the cards in that set. If I click on Add Update, it takes me into the full list where I can make changes to this list. Now everything in blue are the cards that I already have. Everything in red are the cards that I want or need. Everything in yellow are cards that I also have but are quote-unquote in transit. So this means that I don't physically have them in my possession. Maybe they're being mailed to me. Maybe I have them in Upper Deck EPAC or in COMC, but I own them. I just don't physically have them in hand. And so you can see I've got a few red cards here, which means these are the cards that I need. These are my what TradingCardDB calls my want list. And so what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and navigate back to my collection list. And again, this is where I want to create the collection shortcut. So what I'll do is I'll tap on the three little dots in the top right corner next to the navigation pane. And I will tap on Add to Home Screens. 1, 2, 3, the fourth option from the bottom. From here, I'll just call this My Collection. And tap Add. And now I've added that to my home screen. So now if I go to my home screen, you see I just created a new desktop home screen shortcut. And so if I click on the shortcut, it takes me right to my collection. So now every time I want to use Trading Card DB, instead of having to go to the home page, navigate through all those menus to get to this page, I just click on the desktop or home screen shortcut button, and I'm taken right to my collection. And that's it. Now you have a home screen shortcut that will take you directly to your collection every time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like. Also, keep an eye out for my other TradingCardDB.com tips videos for more useful information, and happy hunting.